Weed early. Weed often. One of the fabulous things about the vegetable garden is that it's always alive and always growing. This beautiful kale, which we'll be having for dinner sometime soon, has overwintered and is growing again. We can see it's starting to want to bloom, and we'll want to eat it before then, because once the brassicas start to bloom and flower, they grow bitter. So now it's nice and sweet and tender, and will make a delicious meal for me. But in between these beauties is this thug ground ivy, which is very aggressive, but thankfully has a very shallow root system. Even an old lady like me can dig it out. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna plant a whole bunch of spring greens. So Swiss chard, spinach, and some lettuce. Like a lot of us, we get seed and we don't use it right away. And I have one packet of Swiss chard from dated 11/21 as its best date. And this one says 12/25. So we're gonna plant them side by side and see how the germination goes. And I'm gonna sow these really thick just because they're old. It says a 1/2 inch deep, which seems pretty deep, but they are big seeds. It used to be that you would get a lot of seeds per seed packet, and I've noticed a little bit of stinginess in some of the seeds packets that I get these days. Okay, lettuce. Pet peeve of mine are labels and stickers made out of non-biodegradable plastic. They just keep showing up in your garden. Don't like it. We're gonna plant this lettuce, and you know how sometimes the packets just don't want to open for you, and you're like, arr! The easiest thing to do is to just go blow into it and blow it open, blow the envelope open. Once again, not that many seeds in here. That's all right. A few seeds go a long way. Oh, and they just all fell out at once, didn't they? It's a tater. Look, a volunteer tater from last year that never got dug. Aw, tater. We'll have to put you someplace else. But look at that life force. Of course, it's a big tuber. We're gonna plant some spinach. Again, there's some old seeds, so I'm gonna plant it kind of thick. I don't even see the date on it, it's faded away.